What if I told you there's an animal alive right now with 3 hearts and blood as blue as the sky? It isn't science fiction. It's the octopus. We tend to think of hearts as simple. One body, one heart. But the octopus rewrites that rule entirely. Tucked inside its soft, boneless body are not 1, but 3 separate hearts. And each one has a very different job. 2 of those hearts are called branchial hearts. They sit right beside the gills. Their only purpose is to push blood through the gills, where it can soak up precious oxygen from the water. The 3rd heart is the big one. It's called the systemic heart, and it sits at the center of everything. This heart takes the freshly oxygenated blood and pumps it out to the rest of the body. Every arm, every sucker, every cell. So why 3? Why not just one powerful heart like ours? The answer lies in how octopus blood actually works. Our blood is red because of iron. We use a molecule called hemoglobin to carry oxygen around the body. But the octopus took a completely different path. Its blood doesn't rely on iron at all. Instead, it uses copper, a molecule called hemocyanin. And copper, when it grabs oxygen, turns blue. That's the secret behind the octopus's eerie, sky-colored blood. It's literally running on copper. But here's the catch. Copper-based blood is not very efficient. It carries far less oxygen than our iron-rich blood. And that's exactly why the octopus needs all those extra hearts, to make up for blood that struggles to deliver enough oxygen. So the strange blood and the 3 hearts aren't 2 separate quirks. They're one solution to a single problem. But the story gets even stranger. Hemocyanin has a surprising advantage in one very specific place. In cold water with very little oxygen, like the deep ocean, copper-based blood actually performs better than ours would. It's why some octopuses thrive in freezing Antarctic waters where iron-based blood might fail. Their ancient blue blood is a kind of evolutionary superpower for life in the cold and the deep. Now here's a detail that almost feels unfair. When an octopus swims, its systemic heart actually stops beating. That's right. Swimming is exhausting for an octopus, so much that its main heart pauses with every push. This is one reason octopuses often prefer to crawl along the seafloor rather than swim long distances. Swimming tires them out so quickly that crawling is simply the smarter, safer way to move. Think about what all of this reveals. The octopus is built on a completely different blueprint from us. 3 hearts, blue blood, 8 arms that can taste, and a brain spread throughout its body. It's so different from anything on land that scientists sometimes call it the closest thing to an alien we'll ever meet. And yet, it isn't from another world. It evolved right here, in the same oceans that gave rise to us. Every strange feature is an answer to a question life asked millions of years ago. How do you survive down here? The octopus answered with copper, with 3 hearts, and with a body unlike any other. So the next time you picture a heart, remember, nature didn't stop at 1. It built 3 and painted the blood blue. The ocean is full of creatures that quietly break every rule we thought we understood about life. If a single animal can hold this much wonder, imagine what else is still waiting in the deep. Subscribe, and let's keep exploring it together.